2050, humanity had reached the peak of technological evolution. Artificial intelligence managed governments, machines performed flawless surgeries, and space was no longer a dream, it was the next destination. Then one day NASA released an image. It had been captured on Mars. In the middle of the red dust, there was a perfect geometric symbol. A flawless circle with 3 intersecting lines inside it. The edges were sharp. The symmetry was exact. Nature rarely creates perfection like that. The world split in two. Some called it a natural rock formation. Others believed it was a message. Behind closed doors, a decision was made. A human mission would go to Mars. The rocket launched from Kennedy Space Center under a classified program. The mission carried elite scientists, engineers, and a young systems specialist named Aayi Malik. 6 months later, their spacecraft entered Martian orbit. Mars looked silent, ancient, watching. The landing was successful. The crew followed the rover's coordinates across the barren terrain. When they reached the site, the symbol was there, untouched, precise, almost new. Excavation began. Hours later, metal was detected beneath the surface. That was impossible. Mars had no natural metallic structures like this. They dug deeper. 12 meters below, they uncovered a smooth black capsule. No corrosion, no erosion, as if time had never touched it. The same symbol glowed faint blue on its surface. Aayi stepped forward and placed his hand on it. The ground trembled. The capsule activated. A holographic projection emerged into the thin Martian air. It resembled a human figure but slightly different. Larger eyes, sharper features, calm beyond emotion. It spoke. "We are your ancestors." Silence consumed the crew. The projection explained that millions of years ago, Mars had been alive. Oceans flowed. An advanced civilization thrived. Technology had surpassed even modern human capabilities. But they made the same mistake humanity was beginning to make. Climate collapse, resource wars, division. Mars died. Before extinction, they launched a final project, sending their genetic code and knowledge toward a young blue planet, Earth. Life evolved there, and eventually humanity emerged. "You are our continuation," the being said. Then its tone darkened. "History is repeating. If you do not change your course, Earth will follow Mars." The capsule's energy levels began to spike. Aayi checked the readings. It wasn't just a message archive. It was a beacon. If fully activated, it would transmit a signal deep into space. And something somewhere might answer. Friendly or hostile. A decision had to be made. Aayi initiated the self-destruct protocol. The crew retreated. A blinding flash lit the Martian horizon. The capsule was gone. Mars returned to silence. The mission came back to Earth. The public received a partial truth. The real discovery was classified at the highest level. One night, weeks later, Aayi stood on his rooftop, staring at the faint red dot of Mars in the sky. His personal device suddenly blinked. An unknown transmission. The frequency signature matched nothing from Earth. On the screen, 2 words appeared. Signal received. Aayi's blood ran cold. The beacon had been destroyed. So who received it? Far beyond the orbit of Mars, hidden in the darkness of deep space, a massive structure drifted silently. The same symbol glowed across its surface, and its trajectory was set directly toward Earth. The strange mark found on Mars was never just a warning. It was a countdown, and it had already begun. Rocket,